Top going slow, eyes a little low. Top going slow, eyes a little low.
If you're still here with us, first of all, thanks. The top end actually looks a lot cleaner than I thought it would for having 120,000 miles on it. The previous owner really took care of it. It's actually good I went this far because I found this breather hose right here with a crack on both ends, which it's going to be a pretty good vacuum leak. I went ahead and just ordered some Z1 replacements. Also found the rear left brake had locked up somehow, not to the point of actually putting any pressure, but it just seems the piston wouldn't retract at all. Just gotta get these toe points done, and then I'm ready to rock. I'm gonna hold off on the hydraulic handbrake for a while. I'm not gonna go straight to it. I'm gonna see if maybe I can do it without it for a little bit, or see how I feel.